Hi everyone! Welcome to DSLB Earthstone, one of the leading direct importer of stones right here in Silang Cavite, Pampanga, and Parañaque. Naghahanap ka ba ng murang stones? Or gusto mo ba magpagawa ng bahay gamit lamang ang murang halaga? Well, you are at the right channel. Dito sa B-Earthstone, maraming pagpipilian ng disenyo na tiyak na magugustuhan nyo. Our team ensures na lahat ng bato meets the highest standards of quality na magbibigay sa inyo ng best materials para sa inyong mga ongoing projects or upcoming projects. Kaya kung balak mo magpatayo ng bahay at naghahanap ka ng mga local contractors na may high quality services, matutulungan din namin kayo dahil may sister company kami for that. Transform your space gamit ang mga natatanging bato for both residential and commercial projects, mula sa eleganteng interior hanggang sa nakakamanghang exterior. Dito sa B-Earthstone, tiyak na makakapili ka. We offer expert advice to help you select the perfect stone for your needs. You don't have to worry at all. Dahil kung bahayang pag-uusapan, B-Earthstone na ang bahala dyan. We have 3 branches kaya wag ka na mag-alala. And of course, we deliver nationwide. Just contact any person on the description box below.